Asigra is a software company that was founded 26 years ago. It's very focused on backup and recovery software. So Asigra itself is not a service provider. We don't deliver any cloud service. We're purely a software company. And our contribution is the platform to the service providers who use it to deliver a service. In many small, medium businesses, backup recovery over the last 20 years or so has really been kind of the bane of the IT department. It's something that nobody really likes to do. It's the bottom of the totem pole, and nobody does it very well. I think the market is really now becoming more open to doing backup as a service. It'll become part of the application, it'll become part of the operating system, and it'll become more of an attribute. Once you set those attributes, it'll just happen in the background. You won't have to monitor it, you won't have to schedule it. It'll just, again, be part of like the RAM on your machine. A really important facet of our business is the relationship that we have with our partners. Again, there's no channel conflict in Asigra's program. We don't deliver a cloud backup service ourselves. We really ultimately rely on our partners and our ecosystem to take our technology and bring it to the marketplace through their service. That's a very important element of why partners engage with Asigra, because they don't have to constantly look behind their shoulders thinking that my supplier is actually one day potentially going to be my competitor, or already is my competitor. Over 12 months ago, we announced the industry's first back-end recovery platform for mobile devices, for smartphones, for Android and iOS, and for tablets. More and more, you see employees are bringing their own devices. This whole phenomenon called BYOD, bring your own device, or the consumerization of IT that's now become prevalent in the industry sector. In the technology sector, people are keeping business data on these devices. And a lot of the industry analysts are saying this is kind of the number one, number two topic that's on their minds to think about how to manage better. Asigra's software platform is certified by FIPS 140-2, which is a US government certification. The body that makes the certification is the National Institute of Standards and Technology. And it really lends itself to giving a comfort level to customers that their data cannot be read, because the data is always encrypted. And it's a certified encryption. Even if the service provider does get breached, nobody will be able to read the data. Cloud services doesn't only mean public. There are many, many customers that leverage the Asigra platform in a private cloud manner, where all the data sits in their data centers, and all of their end remote sites and tens of thousands of mobile devices back up into their data centers. One of the things that makes Asigra's platform unique is that it allows customers to migrate their data from public to private to hybrid, or any permutation of all the three, as their business requirements change over time. They can move their data, and they don't have to do it by backing up the data all over again, and that's a huge advantage for them. Asigra doesn't want the most partners, it wants the best partners, and it has the best partners in the ecosystem that consistently outmarket and outperform and outsell the other service providers in the marketplace.